Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever looked at your nails and thought, I really need a better way to clean those? Whether it's dirt from a busy day or just the natural buildup we all get, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter the Superio Stiff Nail Brush with Handle 3-pack. Today, we're going to see if this simple-looking tool actually does what it promises, or if it's just another brush gathering dust under the sink. Let's find out. The Superio Stiff Nail Brush is designed to tackle nail cleanliness with stiff, durable bristles that claim to get deep into the nooks and crannies of your nails, both on your fingers and toes. The set includes 3 brushes, making it a great option for keeping one in the bathroom, one in the kitchen, and maybe even one in your garden or garage. But does it actually live up to its claims? That's what we're here to figure out. When you first hold this brush, you'll notice its comfortable handle. It's wide and ergonomically designed, making it easy to grip and control. The bristles, though stiff, aren't harsh, which is a relief. Too stiff and you risk damaging the nail bed. Too soft, and it's a waste of time. The bristles are dense, promising effective dirt removal without losing their structure after a few uses, something many similar brushes struggle with. I tested this out during my regular manicure and pedicure routine. The brush fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, allowing for a smooth back and forth motion that really gets under the nails. I also used it on some tougher spots, like around the cuticles and on my toes, and found that it worked efficiently without needing soap. The bristles really do get into every corner, removing dirt from underneath the nails that you might have missed with other tools. It's also helpful for those who like to pamper their feet but don't have access to a pedicure scrub tool. In terms of versatility, I used the brush beyond my nails. It made light work of cleaning the kitchen sink, removing stubborn ink stains from a countertop, and even scrubbing my bathroom tiles. The brush has strong, firm bristles that handle a variety of tasks. While it's marketed as a nail brush, it functions as an all-purpose cleaning tool, making it handy to have around the house for more than just your nails. So what are the pros and cons? Let's start with the good stuff. The Superio nail brush is well constructed, durable, and comfortable to use. It performs great for nail cleaning, offering deep scrubbing without hurting the nails or surrounding skin. The bristles hold up well even after multiple uses, and I noticed no shedding or loosening, which is a huge plus. On the downside, I'd say the brush might be a little too stiff for some people. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to irritation, it might take some getting used to. I found that it's effective in one go, but if you prefer to be gentle, you might need to adjust your pressure or use a more delicate brush. But for those looking for something that can handle tougher grime, this is a strong contender. Value for money? It's tough to beat this at the price point. For 3 brushes, you're getting a solid, multifunctional tool that works for a variety of tasks. You won't be replacing this brush anytime soon, and the sturdy build makes it a good investment for anyone looking for an affordable yet effective nail scrubber. When comparing it to other similar brushes on the market, the Superio nail brush stands out due to its durability and its multi-use capabilities. While other brushes may offer softer bristles or only work for nails, this one can clean a variety of surfaces, making it more versatile overall. However, if you're really picky about softer bristles, there are other options, but I wouldn't say they're as effective in removing dirt and grime. Now, I've yet to have any direct customer support interaction with Superio, but their products are generally known for their solid quality. Should you run into an issue, the company is known for responsive customer service, though there's little indication that you'll need it with this product. It's built to last. If you're looking for alternatives, there are softer bristle brushes that cost around the same price, but they won't give you the same heavy-duty cleaning power. For those who don't mind spending a little extra, there are specialized, more ergonomic tools, but those can cost more for less versatility. To wrap it up, I think the Superio Stiff Nail Brush is a great investment if you're looking for a tool that's simple, durable, and does the job. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick and easy way to keep their nails and surrounding skin clean. The versatility of this brush, combined with its sturdy construction, means it can handle all your cleaning needs beyond just nail care. It's a solid recommendation for anyone who values both function and value for money. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this review too. Your support helps us keep making honest, detailed reviews like this one. And if you've used this product before, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.